about Skydive.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers today. Whose idea was this? Your fault that this one. Who's scared?
No.
I'm scared.
You must tear it up.
Any last words, final comments, confessions before we go do this, guys?
Hell no.
Must tear it up. Fuck it up.
We got this. Here we go.
Yeah. Let's do
Oh
it.
yeah.
Yes.
Nah.
Yes.
Alright guys, we're gonna ride. Alright, let's go. You ready for it? Yeah. Tear it up. About to tear it up. Fly from the sky. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. There you go. Told you it was gonna get tight right up here. Oh, that's how it needed to be. That's how it needed to be. Feeling better? Way better. Hey, go ahead, pull those goggles off, man. We got one more interview to do. I step a little bit over this one. Right here, cool. Oh wait, he's moving. So just hang out here. Or hang out beside him, and we'll come and get you in just a minute, all right? Alright, man, you take those goggles and clip them right here. Oh, yep. Cool. We'll get out of that harness as soon as we're back inside. And there's one more of you guys jumping, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So what we'll do, we'll get you out of that harness, and then you'll ride the trailer right back out here and meet them on the ground, all right? Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm recording.